Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have business people, marketing and education, online flight design. These files are AI APS for Adobe Illustrator user. Here is video lesson, digital library, question and answer, online reading, e-book education, online reading, e-learning digital, global education, study program, video lesson. Okay. You can change color, you can adjust size. So I drag this file in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, you see in layer area, here is group, video lesson. One by one you can adjust. You see, you can change background color, you can see, or you can change his dress color, for example red. Here is red for YouTube. Her dress is sky blue. Okay, her laptop color, okay, no, or you can change everything no, not better, this is right. Simply mean you can change everything. Here is, and delete this and write your own text. Change color or increase size and adjust everywhere. So I undo. Wow, this file is full illustration, you see here. So I close this file. No, here is second file, the education, drag on Adobe Illustrator. You change this color, everything. You can write your own text, change background color, see in layer, group. You can change everything. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah.